Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Beauties Crown. This side Veronica. So guys, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about my personal favorite hair serum which I uses. I read many comments in the comment section that please Veronica tell me which hair serum you uses, which is the best hair serum, which hair serum gonna make our frizzy hair normal, shiny and straight, which hair serum gonna make our hair silky smooth. So today I'm going to tell you which hair serum I uses, what are the ingredients, benefits and every single detail. Watch this video till the end because this video is going to be a very useful one. So guys, without delaying, let's get started. So beauties, the hair serum which I uses is this SIMA hair care serum. I'm using it from last 4 months and this is my second bottle. Actually yesterday I got this package, so I decided to make a video on it because this is the new pack which I got yesterday. I ordered it and this serum is like amazing. This is a multi-purpose serum. If you are suffering from a dry hair, if you have any irritation, itchiness on your scalp, if you have a frizzy and curly hair, if you have a hair growth problem, hair fall problem, this is a solution for everything. That's why I'm using it like from last 4 months. As I said, this is truly amazing. Beauties, trust me, this is not a sponsored video at all. I'm using it and I'm in love with this hair product. Trust me, this is amazing. Now let me tell you why I choose this SIMA and what are the benefits and ingredients. Let me read from the carton actually. Okay, so it is also written on the carton, the one-stop solution to frizzy hair. Yes, it will gonna make your hair so shiny. You can see my hair, it's gonna make your hair so shiny, healthy and it's just like amazing, totally amazing. It made your hair so soft and silky and ultra shiny. Trust me, ultra shiny. So let me read the benefits and everything. SIMA hair care serum is formulated with active ingredients biotin, bringraj and eucalyptus prostrate to promote hair growth, fight dry scalp. You will get healthy scalp and strong and shiny hair. Our hair serum acts like a protective cover to the hair and protects your hair until next hair wash. This is true. Seriously, this will like a hair protector. It will gonna make your hair protect from pollution, dust, ultraviolet sun rays and it just make your hair so natural and so good. Key ingredients are biotin, bringraj extract, then sesame oil, pisum saffron oil, rosemary oil, jojoba oil, tea tree oil, avocado oil. Then there are so many oils in it and that's olive oil also. That's why this serum is amazing. It is like a magical thing. Trust me, it is. And beauties, one more thing I want to tell you. Many of us, actually almost all of us, use that styling hair tools like hair straightener, then curling irons and many other things. Before using that hair styling tool, just apply this serum on your hair, leave it like that and just then after applying this you can go with that hair styling tools and everything. This will protect your hair totally. This will gonna protect your hair from damaging from the excess heat. This also works like that. If you're having a hair fall problem, if you want to grow your hair, if you want to have if you have that frizzy and curly hair, this will gonna stop them all. That's why I'm using it and this is like amazing one. This is my personal favorite hair serum. I just love this SIMA hair care serum a lot. Now beauties, let me tell you how you have to use it and usage. What I usually do after washing my hair with normal shampoo and conditioner, I take 3 to 4 pumps of it and apply it all over my hair, on my scalp too. I apply it on my scalp, on my hair and leave it like this until next wash. And trust me, until next wash it will gonna protect your hair. It is like a cover. It is like a cover to your hair and it just protect it from dust, from hair fall, from frizziness and everything which it claims. It truly do that. It is written in the carton that you have to apply 2 to 3 times a week, but what I usually do, I apply it every time I'm done with my hair wash. After every hair wash I apply this serum because this is like a hair protector for me. It helps me a lot in regrowing of my hair, in stop my hair fall, frizziness and Basically guys, this gonna make your hair so manageable. It just make your hair so manageable, so soft and so good. So what I usually do after washing my hair, I take 3 to 4 pumps of this hair serum, rub my palms and just apply it till the end. You can see it also removes all the split ends and everything, making your hair so shiny and good. So these are the benefits of this hair serum. So if you are searching for a best hair serum beauties, I will recommending you that go with this SIMA hair care serum. I will share the link of this product from where I bought it in my description box, and there is a WhatsApp number also, you can order it from there. Hope you have liked this video. If you have any queries regarding this product, just comment it in the comment section and I'm surely gonna answer you. So beauties, see you in my next video. Till then, please subscribe my channel and do give me a thumbs up and do follow me on Instagram also. See you in my next video. Bye and take care.